What's up, guys? I got this LED light on this truck, and my friend bought this, but let me show you. There's a switch here. It's a very simple procedure. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. If you want to buy this light, you can buy it online, and it's gonna come in a small box, different sizes, but that's what you're looking at right there. And this comes with instructions. There's a 1-800 number right there. But anyways, it was a very simple procedure. All I did was connect 2 wires and 2 wires. So this is a Toyota 4runner. If you want to do that on any vehicle, so it comes with a little bracket, tap screw, wire goes right through here. Let's pop open this hood. It comes with the harness. Everything is ready for you to it's plug and play. So right down here, let me get my light. You see this? All you have to do is take the red cable. I messed up on these 2 right here. So you take the red, connect it to the red, black to the black, positive and negative. That's all you have to connect there. And then comes with the relay. I'll put the relay right here. Ran the wires right through here. There's a ground here. I put the negative here. The ground looks just like this positive here. It has a circular connector here. Goes under there. Positive, I connect it right there. There's a fuse here. I gotta cut this strap tie off. And the hardest part is running this cable. This cable gotta be run through there. And there is a connector here. Where's the harness? Okay, it's inside, so it's just a 1 connector inside. 1 connector, and this is your switch. It's always gonna be illuminated like that, but that's not gonna suck any battery life. But right here is your harness. I'm running all the harness over here. You see this connector right here? This is only 1 connector right there, and that connects right there. So all you have to do is connect 2 wires on front of the light, and 2 wires, positive and negative, and that's it. And plug in the switch, and all you do is you push on the switch here, the lights come on, off, on, and it will also indicate you right there. But that's how simple it is to do, and you don't have to go spend crazy money. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and see you in the next one.